हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जहां आपको दिल्ली एनसीआर की हर रेजिडेंशियल और कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी का अपडेट देते रहते हैं। आज आए हैं हम गुड़गांव की एक बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट लोकेशन पर, गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन सेक्टर 59, जहां फॉरेस्ट द ऑरम ने अपना हाई राइज एक रेजिडेंशियल लॉन्च किया है। बहुत ही यूनिक स्पेसिफिकेशंस हैं। आइए जानते हैं डिटेल में कि क्या क्या है इस प्रॉपर्टी में और क्या ये एक इन्वेस्टमेंट या एंड यूज के हिसाब से एक अच्छा ऑप्शन हो सकता है आपके लिए।
Hi Bharat, how are you?
ऑल वेल मैम, आप बताइए।
All good, all good.
सुना
Welcome
बहुत
to
अच्छा
Aurum.
सुना बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट लेकर आए हैं आप, तो
Right,
थोड़ा सा
differs,
एक्सप्लेन
of course,
कीजिए ना
but
प्लीज।
one of the most awaited project and very different in its own way.
ओके, सो हु ऑल आर द मास्टरमाइंड बिहाइंड दिस प्रोजेक्ट?
So yes, this is one of the most worked upon project, I must say.
Okay.
We have thought over the project and worked upon it almost for a year or so.
Okay.
So the chief architect of the project is Hafiz Contractor. So
Great.
he has taken the job in his own hand. So he's the principal designer of the project.
Okay.
Then we are talking about Oracle, one of the best landscaping companies. So they are taking care of the landscape because
Okay.
85% of the area in the project is going to be open area.
I can see that.
Yes, so there's
Yes.
going to be a lot of work for Oracle there. Then we have got now Aluwalia on board with
Okay.
us to for the
Construction
construction side of it.
One of the best
yeah,
renowned.
he is the best in the industry. So everything and anything that has
Okay.
been in the best in the
Thoughtfully
industry,
designed.
we have already got on board here.
Okay,
Right?
great.
So let me introduce you the Aurum.
Yes.
Right. So it is 10.07 acres of land parcel that I'm talking about here.
Okay.
Right. हम phases में अपने project को launch कर रहे हैं. My first phase, जिसका मेरा received है, tower T3, T4, T5.
Okay.
Is a combination where we have 3 BHK plus servant and 4 BHK plus servant.
Okay.
10.07 acres के land parcel में this will become one of the most low density project of the area as well, because
Okay.
we're going to have only limited 480 apartments in the entire area. So when I'm talking about the first phase launch, 3 टावर जैसे हमने डिस्कस किए,
हाँ जी।
तो 3 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट में हमारे पास 2 साइजेस हैं इसमें।
Okay.
मेरा पहला साइज है 2407 का,
Okay.
दूसरा साइज है 2624 का।
Okay.
Right? Both the unit comes with a servant, comes
Okay.
with porter, comes with family lounge.
अच्छा।
Right? Then I have 4 BHK as well. 4
Okay.
BHK मेरे पास 2 sizes हैं, 3257 and 3562.
Okay.
Again, both the 4 BHK comes with servant, porter as well as family lounge.
कितनी हाइट रहने वाली है इसकी?
The height of the tower is 42 floors.
ओके, और पेंट हाउस भी होंगे?
Yes, the topmost floor is going to be a penthouse. It's a simplex penthouse,
ओके।
right? So instead of creating a duplex, we have created a simplex penthouse. This increases the efficiency of the apartment.
Okay. So it is going to be 2 to a core or 3 to a core?
So the entire project, this is one of the unique projects there on Golf Course Extension, wherein I'm talking about the entire project is going to be on 2 to a core.
अच्छा।
Right? All units are going to be 3-side open units. All of them are sun-facing units.
अच्छा।
And at the same time, we are placed at such a location. All of them are going to be 100% Aravali facing units.
Okay, that's
Right.
I guess the most important USP.
Exactly.
So I'm sure you must have taken care of all the luxury amenities as well. Clubhouse का थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं आप?
So it's over luxury. The clubhouse is going to be over luxury as well.
Achha.
So we are coming up with a clubhouse in almost 1 lakh square foot area.
That's huge.
Which includes almost all world-class amenities. So there are many, to be discussed. But just to name a few, we are even coming up with a bowling alley inside the club, which is a very rare amenity in
Yes,
terms
yes.
of the
I've not
clubhouses.
heard of that much.
Yes, we have an indoor swimming pool. We have PVR movie theater, then a karaoke studio, and many other amenities inside business centers, particularly in restaurants. So you name it, and those amenities are a part of it.
Okay.
Then of course outdoor as well. If I talk about, there's a typically a sports zone that you're looking at.
Yes.
So almost all outdoor sports amenities are also a part of it. Multi courts are already placed up.
Okay.
The amphitheater gardens, Zen gardens. These are all part of the luxury project.
Okay, so you're making a luxury lifestyle, more of a lifestyle. I
Yes,
guess.
so people in Gurgaon don't buy apartment. People in Gurgaon buy lifestyle. only.
Lifestyle.
Yes.
Rightly said. Okay. So do we have any sample flat for now?
Yeah, we do have a sample. So we have made a sample of the biggest size. This is
Okay.
4 BHK large, 3562 square foot area.
Okay.
Now the beauty about the sample is not only you can have a look and feel of the actual apartment, but you also have a look and feel of the actual view from
Okay.
the sample. Right.
That's new.
Yes.
So let's move.
Sure. So Bharat, let me now show you the sample apartment. right here we are standing. This is how the look and feel of the lobby will be
Okay.
of your floor.
Okay.
Right, there are going to be 2 apartments. The distance between 2 apartments is going to be 10.5 meters.
Okay.
One apartment over here and another apartment at the other core.
Okay.
Right, there are going to be 4 lifts in the lobby area. There are going to be 3 high speed lift over here. Then there is going to be a door. Beyond that door is going to be a service lift. The service traffic will move separately.
Okay, great.
Right. Then coming to the apartment side of it, when you enter through a foyer. पहले आपका foyer area आता है. That's how the look and feel of the door quality will be. It comes with digital panel locking. The foyer area is also usable for a shoe rack area or a console. Now coming inside is a living, dining and a family lounge. It's a L-shaped apartment which is open from all sides. As we have already discussed, it is a 270 degree view
Okay.
that you get in the apartment. What you see is what you get.
Okay, this is going to be the actual view.
Yes.
Okay, great.
So this is how the actual view of your apartment will be. This is your main deck area, which is going to be 6 feet wide over here and 9.5 feet wide towards the end of it for your outdoor furniture. Comes with a security railing of 4.5 feet, mosquito mesh, double gaze glasses, soundproofing के साथ. So after living dining, this is where the family lounge is placed. This also comes with a family deck area for your openness.
Okay.
Let me take you to our first master bedrooms.
Okay.
That's how the look and feel of the first master bedroom is. It comes with its own private deck area, a dresser area and a completely done up washroom.
So all the fittings will be there.
Yes,
And again the actual view
yes.
we have.
Now there are 2 master bedroom in the apartment. This
Okay.
is the second master bedroom. This comes with hardwood flooring engineered, comes with attached washroom and its own private deck area. The whole apartment is air conditioned apartment, comes with VRV AC. Then this is the third bedroom on my right. This is the kids bedroom, comes again with an attached washroom and its own deck area.
Wardrobes will be there.
No, wardrobes are not a part of the apartment.
Okay.
Now this is the last bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. This also is a very spacious room right over here. Comes with an attached washroom with all fittings and vanity connected to the main running balcony.
And again the actual view.
Yes. I'll take you to the kitchen now.
Okay.
Kitchen comes completely done up. So the kitchen comes with all white goods fittings. What you see is what you get.
Okay.
So this is almost 8 by 14 का ये kitchen है, right? Comes with double door refrigerator, displays, OTG microwave, pantry, side of it chimney hob, storage area. Also comes with dishwasher and washing machine placed in the service area. Now this is a service balcony.
Okay.
And service balcony you will have a city view.
Okay. So that's a servant entry and
So this
servant
is a
room.
domestic help room.
Okay.
They have their own washrooms right here connected to the kitchen.
Okay.
They have a separate entry exit as well.
So absolutely all the white goods will be with
A
the
part of
kitchen.
it, yes.
Okay.
So it's a very well planned apartment. All the rooms come with their own attached washrooms and balconies. For the guest, we also have a powder room, right? Now the fittings, as you see, in the living, dining, family lounge, master bedroom, powder room, it's all Italian marble. The second master bedroom comes with hardwood flooring. The other 2 bedrooms come with tiles which are stone looking tiles, right? VRV AC. The false ceiling that you see is a part of the apartment, right? With the running lights. All fitments up and done.
Oh, that was very well explained. और
Thank you.
layout तो और भी अच्छा है.
Thank you.
तो अब लोकेशन अगर क्लाइंट को लेकर आना हो तो कैसे लेकर आए?
So I think our location is our biggest USP. We are right here in the center of the city. We are
Okay.
hardly 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes away from Moeen Golf Course.
हाँ मैं अभी
right,
I
so we
came
are
from
right
Golf
on the
Course Road.
extension sector 59, 2 minutes away from Grand Hyatt Hotel.
अच्छा.
So you know, location, finding this location is never a problem for a client.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. So how would we connect the IGI airport to this?
So you know, for IGI, while you know you cross the golf course, you have direct connectivity via Sikandrapur
yes,
side
yes.
of it, and the other side of it you can also connect it through the Pashapur side,
Okay.
right? But once the you know Super Golf Course Extension Road is done, so the connectivity will increase by far, because that will connect you towards main Delhi. That will also connect you to Delhi Mumbai Expressway, to KMP, to Sona Road, everywhere.
So आने वाला time और अच्छा है.
Yeah, I
Connectivity
mean,
भी
yes,
smooth as well.
so yes, definitely. We already have very healthy connectivity from a 60-meter road and from a 24-meter road. But you know, in the future, that we are looking at horizon of 2 years, we are looking at you know, a much broader road right on the project, which is the NHAI road. So that is almost 90 meters.
So I know luxury comes at a price.
Of course.
और इसको भी आप अच्छा खासा price quote करने वाले हो?
So I would say we have a very competitive price in the
Okay.
market right now. Currently, since you know, we are in the initial phase, and this being our you know flagship project,
Yes.
so we are coming up. You know, we have given certain inaugural discounts. So our current pricing is 22,000
Okay.
plus PLC plus GST. But currently there's an inaugural discount of 1,000 rupees. So
Great.
which makes my price 21,000 rupees, which
Okay.
I still see for golf course extension in the near
के
future.
हिसाब से
Yes,
undervalued
it's very
priced है.
undervalued. Golf course extension is looking forward and going towards 30,000 very soon.
Yes.
So-
What would be the payment plan?
So it's a very flexible payment plan. Of course, we can discuss in detail. So it is 30, 40, 30.
Okay.
Right. The details we'll have to get into.
Okay. So thank you for your time.
Thank you, Bharat.
Thanks a
Thank you
lot.
for coming
Thank
down.
you.
Thank you.
So this was all about Forest the Aurum, the luxury high rise situated at sector 59 Golf Course Extension Road. Still अगर आपकी कोई query है तो आप हमें कमेंट कर सकते हैं या दिए हुए नंबर पे कॉल भी कर सकते हैं. We are eagerly waiting for your site visit to give you first hand experience at the luxury high rise. फॉलो करना ना भूलें. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस. मिलते हैं जल्दी अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर. बाय.